guys, what's up? Yeah, I know, my shirt's fucking dope.
Yeah, and this video is a little dark, but yeah, your shirt does look lit. But so we've had this device. It's requested by everyone. I got it around my neck because I kind of like it a lot. What are we talking about today, Nate?
Is it the Mico or is it the Mico?
I don't know. Dude, what?
Is it Smok or is it Smoke?
Oh, shit.
I could go all day, bro. Is it Coil or is it Qual?
Qual. Dude, I don't know, but I think it's the Mico. You think it's the Mico.
It's the Mico. Alright, here's why I think it's called the Mico, alright?
Why?
Y'all ready for this shit?
Yes.
Y'all ready? The Mico. It's called the Mico because the Mi Pod. But here's the problem.
What's that?
People call the Mi Pod the My Pod also.
Yeah, they do.
I don't know. But look, the main thing that I'm saying is I called the Mi Pod the Mi Pod. And this one looks like the Mi Pod.
Therefore, it is the Mico. I don't know. But this is
the Mico.
It's the Mico. Okay, so this is the new pod system by Smok. You know, we're a little outdated on this. We're coming in late, but here's our thoughts.
They took a Mi Pod, they looked at it really hard. They took a Smok Nord, melted it down, and shaped it into a Mi Pod.
Yeah, so it doesn't have coils, right? It has a little pod that you fill up, kind of like a Nord thing with the little flap. I hate the flap. What do you think? I think it's a piece of
Flaps
shit.
Flaps are dumb because, like,
yeah,
luckily you replace pods often, or else all those flaps are just, like, sometimes they just fall apart.
Well, and I had a big fucking problem when we popped it open for the first time. I just pulled the whole thing out. Yeah, and I had a hell of a time putting it back in, which was kind of lame. But once I filled it up and put it back in, it's nice and smooth. It clicks right into place. And what's cool is you have a nice little window on it. But so you can see what you got in there, which is cool. And you know, it comes in a bunch of really cool designs. Like we got this.
Yeah, actually, I really like it. It looks like fire.
Yeah, gold fire. It's weird. I think my favorite feature of this device is that it has a little on-off switch. Doesn't have a button when you fire it. It's direct draw, but it has an on-off switch.
Yo, we had a revelation, guys. It hits like a device without a button. And you know what I'm gonna tell you right now?
What's that?
A device without a button, it heats up slower.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
It just does. And I'm no longer trashing devices with buttons anymore because I like when they heat up faster.
You're right. This thing, you know, it doesn't have a button, so it won't fire in your pocket. But when you go to hit it, it takes a freaking second to warm up. It's not automatic like the button. Classic. Here you go. We're connected, dude. It's the vape.
Don't look at me.
So who is this vape for, Nate?
It's for anybody, really.
Yeah, it is.
But the great
versatile.
thing about it is, like, if you're an experienced vapor, if you vape salt nic a lot, you like to hit pod systems, shit like that, it's not your main vape. It's not ever gonna be your main vape. It's never gonna be a primary for you. Here's what I say that it is. The best scenario for this device ever is in the car. You got it around your neck, fucking whip it out. Walking down the sidewalk, don't put that shit on your neck. Fuck that shit.
No, dude. You keep
Unless
it in
you
your
get
pocket.
yourself a Gucci chain or some shit, and then you can like really look like a douchebag and like own it.
Right.
Don't have it on your neck in public.
No. So we got it linked down in the description, under 25 bucks. We'll find the best place. You know, if the price changes, we'll keep it updated for you. While you're down there, though, if you're looking to buy, helps us out if you buy with our link. So fucking buy with our link, please. And you know, while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let everybody know you love us. And until next time, peace out.